Welcome. Today, we'll solve an interesting Singapore Primary School Math Olympiad problem. This problem involves some basic arithmetic and logical thinking, so let's get started. Before we dive in, I encourage you to pause the video and give it a try. We are given an n as a sum of terms, where the numerator is always 2022, and the denominator consists of sums of consecutive numbers. Let's examine the denominators closely. Notice that they are all sums of consecutive numbers. The first denominator can be considered as 1, the second is 1 plus 2, the third is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this pattern continues throughout. Can we simplify these denominators? Here's a useful formula for calculating the sum of consecutive numbers. If you don't know the formula yet, don't worry, it's very simple. To calculate the sum, there is a clever trick. First, write the sum forward and then write it backward. When we add these two rows together, each pair of terms adds up to the same total. The total is 2021 times 2022. Since we added the numbers twice, we divide the total by 2 to find the actual sum. Now we know how to calculate the sum of the number sequence. Using this method, we can rewrite all the denominators. Apply the formula. Adjust the fractions and simplify them. Further simplify the equation. It's much simpler now, and all denominators are the product of two consecutive numbers. How can we further simplify it? Here comes another useful formula. Using this formula, we can rewrite the original problem as follows. This pattern is also called telescoping series. Notice how many terms cancel out. The cancellation technique, with part of each term cancelling with part of the next term, is known as the method of differences. This gives us the final value, which is 4042. But remember, the question doesn't stop here. We must calculate the sum of the digits. So the final answer is 10. Have you arrived at the correct answer? Congratulations on completing this problem. Let's review some key learning points. We solved this problem by breaking it down into smaller, manageable steps. By identifying patterns in sequences and formulas, we can greatly simplify calculations. These fundamental formulas are essential tools for solving similar mathematical problems. Most importantly, always ensure you're answering the exact question being asked. Great work today. See you next time.